In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the vehicle on the Uber Driver app, whether you're upgrading to a new car or temporarily switching to a different one. Updating your vehicle information is crucial for maintaining an effective and smooth experience with the Uber platform. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring you understand each aspect clearly. First things first, you'll want to open the Uber Driver app on your smartphone or device. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app for an optimal experience. Once you're in, navigate to the main menu. You'll find it located in the upper left-hand corner of your screen, indicated by three horizontal lines. This menu is your gateway to all settings and information pertinent to your driving experience with Uber. From this menu, select Account, which will direct you to a page featuring your personal and professional driver details. It's important to always ensure this information is correct and up to date as it affects your performance with Uber directly. Next, tap on Vehicles. This section manages all things related to vehicles you've registered with Uber. Here you'll see a list of your currently linked vehicles on the app. If you are switching vehicles, it's essential to either add a new one or select the existing one you'd like to update. To add a new vehicle, select the option to Add Vehicle. You'll need to enter the new vehicle's details, including the make, model, year, and license plate number. It's highly recommended to double-check these details for accuracy. Once these details are filled in, proceed to upload any necessary documents such as insurance paperwork and vehicle registration. Uber typically requires this documentation to approve any vehicle changes, ensuring all cars on its platform are correctly insured and registered for safety and quality control. If you're simply updating information on an existing vehicle, you'll need to select the vehicle from your current list and make the necessary changes. This could involve uploading a new insurance document if yours has recently renewed or filled out other mandatory fields that require revision. After submitting your changes or new vehicle information, it's time to wait for Uber's approval. Typically, this step doesn't take very long, and Uber will notify you once everything's verified and approved. Until then, ensure you're available to respond to any additional requests for documents or clarifications that Uber may require. And that's it. Once approved, your new vehicle information will be reflected in your app and you'll be ready to hit the road again. Remember, keeping your vehicle details accurate not only ensures compliance with Uber's policies, but also plays a part in providing great service to your passengers. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell for more helpful tips and guides on optimizing your Uber driving experience. Safe driving, and see you on the road.